Hello everyone. This is my creation using the PictoBlox 3D and XR Studio. So I created a city with a bank in it, animal, trees, houses, and even an hotel. And I also have cars on it. So let's see. Let's view it. So if I zoom in, you can see we have this. And if I should turn, you see. First of all, this is the hotel, Mountain Top Hotel, Nigeria. I zoom in and then go close to see the features in the hotel. So I try to view the hotel. So you can see the gate of the hotel. We have the entrance. Okay. Okay. So if you go in, by zooming, you see we have a swimming pool there, and you can see the hotel. Okay. You can see the hotel inside of the hotel. There's the backyard of the hotel. Okay. So away from the hotel, you can see a car. Okay. The car parks in front of the hotel. And this is a bank. You can see the bank. So that's the name of the bank, GTCO Bank. Okay. Bank has fence. See at the back of the bank. Okay. Another view of the bank. Look through. See that. See. Okay. Here we have another beautiful parts of the city. Look. You can see. Let's zoom in. See the other parts of the city. Okay, so you can see this is the part of the city, other part of the city. Okay, here we have a purple bench, some trees, and this is Toby inside. Okay, so that's my lovely city, you can see, and I hope you do like it. Okay, that's my city, a wonderful and lovely creation.